Pores are probably the most searched for, term on the internet, and people are looking for solutions everywhere and on social media. So what are pores? Let's start there. So pores are really just the opening of our hair follicles. And of course, we have millions and billions of hair follicles all over our face and our body, right? Now, I show my patients this all the time. So when we're babies, here's the pore, right? It's this little thing and all the tight collagen around it, right? As we age, what happens is that collagen starts to break down, and of course the pores appear larger. So that's why when you see in some elderly people, their pores appear very large. It's not that the pore size changed, it's that the tight collagen around them, started to break down as they got older. Other things that can make pores look larger, of course, are excessive sebum, people who are oily, more acne prone. So some people might see that, they can, after having a bad bout of acne, their pores can appear larger. And in fact, people with very severe acne, especially, teenagers, can end up, with more sort of large scarred down pores. But that's sort of what pores are. And before we get in about how to make them look better or make them appear smaller, let's remember, having pores is normal, okay? Glass skin, you can make it look really nice, but glass skin is not achievable because we have to have pores, we have to have hair follicles, and we have to let our skin breathe. So again, we want to make them look finer and everything, but we don't want to get rid of them completely, which is what some people say is possible. All right, so to minimize the appearance of your pores, you want to follow what I'm calling the 3 C's. So number 1 is keep them clean, right? So making sure you're doing cleansing twice a day, maybe even double cleansing if you're a makeup wearer, maybe using a micro exfoliant a couple days a week, getting good facials once every month or every 6 weeks, just to keep those pores clean so they look finer, right? The second one would be cell turnover, right? We don't want those pores to get filled up with a lot of junk, and we also want that new collagen and skin around it to turn over. So ingredients you want to look for in your skincare products: glycolic acid, retinoic acid, lactic acid, niacinamide. All those things are great for increasing that cell turnover around the pores. And number 3, we're going to call collagen renewal. So again, like I was saying previously, when we're younger, that collagen is tight. When we get older, it gets loose. We want to do things that help to trigger that collagen. So in addition to the products, procedures like microneedling, therapy, anything that's going to increase that collagen production, those are the type of treatments that you need. And even something like mini-tox, which is using little injections of Botox, can help mimic the hair follicle muscle and tighten those, especially before a big event. But again, those are the 3 C's. And of course, most importantly, to preserve that collagen and elastin, use sunscreen every single day, and your pores are going to look much smaller.